Hey there everyone, Ramesh here. Welcome back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna share you 5 free e-commerce open source projects built using Spring Boot, React, Angular microservices. And these 5 e-commerce open source projects are available on GitHub. So you can go ahead and you can download and you can use them for your learning purposes. Alright guys, so these 5 e-commerce open source projects are very useful. You can go ahead and you can explore the source code of these projects. In previous couple of videos I have shared a lot of GitHub links with you guys, so let me know if you guys are finding this kind of information useful, so that I will keep on creating videos on it. All right, so if you like the videos, then please give a thumbs up, so that it will motivated me to create more videos like this. So let's go ahead and let's start with a project called Swapizer. So Swapizer is a e-commerce software. I mean, it is a complete e-commerce project, and this is not like POC or a small project. In fact, it is a big complete e-commerce software built using Spring ecosystem. Okay, so look at here, these are the features that are implemented in this project. And if you can see the screenshot here, this is the complete e-commerce application you can use to create the products. You can check out you can place the orders, you can check out the order. Okay, and the payment integration has done very nicely in this project. So if you want to learn how to do payment integration in Spring Boot applications, then it's a great learning for you guys. Just check out it. And this is a sign-in page. So I have given a link here. You can go ahead and you can see the demo. Let me quickly show you. So look at here how the application looks like. So this is a register page, and this is the sign-in page, and this is a home page, and here you can see the products. You can add products to the cart and footer. Alright guys, complete e-commerce application. So I highly suggest you guys to check out this project. Okay, I got a lot of information or a lot of learnings from this project, so I highly suggest you guys to check out this project. Okay, so let's see the next one. So here you can see that I have given a GitHub repository link over here. You can go ahead and you can clone this application from my GitHub repository. Okay, so second one is e-commerce shopping cart. So this project is basically a mid-size application, and it is generated using JHipster with Spring Boot as a backend and React as a front end. So payment integration is nicely done in this project as well. So if you want to know how to integrate payment gateway in Spring Boot application, then it's great learning for you guys. Just check it out, this project. Look at here the screenshot of this application. So this is the home page, and this is the make payment page. Okay, so you can go ahead and you can download or clone the source code of this project from a GitHub repository. I have provided a link over here, and if you want to build this project from the scratch, you can refer this tutorial. I have provided a link over here. So I will provide a link of this blog post in a video description, so that you can go ahead and you can check out these open source projects. Alright, so next one is Bookstore app distributed application. So this one is a microservice based project built using Spring Boot and Spring Cloud, and at the front end they have used React. Okay, so this is the end-to-end application. Let me quickly show you the source code so that you will get an idea. So look at here, this is a very big application guys, and look at here the services, small services for each feature, like account, billing, catalog, commons, and here you can see payment service. It has a payment gateway implementation. Okay, alright, so to run this application and to know more about this application, you can go ahead and you can read this readme file about this project. Okay, so the next one is Bookstore app. So this is an online bookstore application, and it is a single page web application built from the scratch using Angular 8 and Spring Boot with MySQL database. So this is a very simple application guys, built using Angular and Spring Boot. So if you want to know how to develop e-commerce application with Spring Boot and Angular, then this one is great. Go ahead and check out the source code from this GitHub repository. So the fifth one is shopping cart app. So this shopping cart app application developed using microservice architecture with Spring Boot and Spring Cloud. So look at here different services. So you come to know how you can create microservices project and how you can make a communication between different services, how you can create a gateway, API gateway, or how you can develop a microservice application from the scratch. So just go ahead and you can read this step-by-step tutorial, and you can get a source code of this application or microservice project from here. I have provided links over here guys. You guys can go ahead and check out the project source code and the demo and the tutorials. Alright guys, if you want more free projects, then go ahead and check out this blog post. Okay, I have created a blog post with a lot of open source projects available on GitHub. So you go ahead and check out these blog posts. Alright, so you can follow me on a GitHub account so that whenever I will publish any project, you will get notified. So yeah, that's all guys. Just check out these 5 free open source e-commerce applications which are available on GitHub. So you can go ahead and download it and you can just play around it and try to explore the source code. And if you have any requirement like developing e-commerce application in your project, you can go ahead and check out the source code and you can reuse that source code in your project. That's all guys. Let me know if this kind of information is useful to you guys, so that I will keep on creating such kind of videos. Like this video so that I will get a more motivation to create this kind of projects, videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.